compact SUV, BMW X3 guys. Nice. Wow, another great ultra luxury SUV, Maserati Levante guys. Wow. 26 BMW X3M. Wow, such an incredible spot guys. Look at that beauty guys. Amazing. Wow, over there beautiful Audi compact SUV guys. Wow, look at that beauty guys. Amazing. Wow, another gorgeous BMW X3 guys. Beautiful compact SUV. Nice. Wow. Nice beautiful compact SUV guys. Suzuki Jimny. Amazing guys. Wow guys, another great ultra luxury SUV. Mercedes GLC. Nice. Another beautiful compact SUV with that Prius. Nice. Wow, another great compact car guys. The Mini Cooper S-Man. Wow. Beautiful. Great compact car. Kia Picanto. Beautiful. Another one, another great compact car. Compact SUV. Mini Cooper Man. Amazing guys. Another great compact SUV. Gorgeous blue Toyota Raize. Beautiful guys. Over there another beautiful compact SUV guys. Ion car. Nice. Another beautiful compact SUV or compact car. The new Kia Sonet. Another great color. Beautiful compact SUV from Volkswagen. Nice. Beautiful. Another beautiful compact SUV guys, or compact car. The new Hyundai Creta. And over here in front of me is Mazda Z60. Yeah guys, over there another great compact SUV or compact car. This is the Mazda 2. Nice. Wow guys, another great compact SUV. They're all new Kia Sonet guys. Wow. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, another beautiful compact SUV before the Territory 2026 model guys. Another beautiful compact SUV guys, the MG RX5 Sport. Wow. Beautiful. Another beautiful compact SUV, Hyundai Tucson. Nice. A new compact SUV, Chevrolet Groove. Wow guys, another great compact SUV, Ion UT, gorgeous pink color. Wow, got that beauty. And over there another great compact SUV, Toyota Corolla Cross HEV guys. Beautiful. Another BYD CLI5, and that is a mid-size SUV, kind of compact SUV too. Another great compact SUV. Compact car. Nissan Skyline, gorgeous white color. Another great compact SUV, Volkswagens, gorgeous blue colors. Nice. Wow guys, over there on the other side, another great compact SUV. This is a VinFast, and over there the Mitsubishi Xpander Cross. Nice. Gorgeous orange color, guys. Wow, another great compact SUV, Hyundai Creta. Nice. Over there, another great compact SUV, Ford EcoSport. Beautiful, guys. Wow, guys, over there, another great compact SUV, Toyota RX5. This is the 2026 model, or Yaris HEV, guys. Nice. Wow, another great compact SUV, BMW ZS, guys. Beautiful. Wow, guys, another two great compact SUV, Toyota Raize, next to the Charlotte Tracker. Wow. Nice. Another beautiful compact SUV, guys, or small side car, Toyota BMW 2026 model, guys. Nice. Another beautiful compact SUV, guys, GZS. Another gorgeous compact car, gorgeous yellow Toyota Raize. Over here, another beautiful compact SUV, before the Territory 2026 model, guys. Wow, another beautiful compact SUV, guys. Beautiful Volvo, gorgeous blue colors, T3, guys. Another two great compact SUV, the Ford Territory and the BYD Auto 2. Wow, another Sangyong compact SUV, beautiful. Another great compact SUV, Charlotte Tracker. Wow, over there another side, another gorgeous compact SUV, guys. BYD Seagulls, gorgeous green colors. Wow, over there beautiful small side car, guys. Gorgeous BYD Seagulls. Wow, gorgeous blue color Toyota Vigo, luxury compact affordable car. Wow.